Good morning, everybody. I am at Walgreens this nice early morning. Last night we had a rainstorm. The alarms were going off. They're like, take cover. We ended up looking in the front of our driveway, and it was raining so hard that our drain could not drain fast enough. So I went out and the water was almost to my knees. Like, that's how high the water was in my road. It was crazy, but it was fun. But yeah, so last week, you guys know I had a terrible shopping experience at Walgreens. I've been shopping at this store alone at least for 9 years. At least for 9 years, even longer before I even went couponing. This used to be the store I went to. And I've never had a problem with anybody ever having a problem with me recording. And then I talked to you guys about it in the video last week. But I ended up getting a message from the actual store manager saying she has no problem with me recording. She didn't know that I was recording in the store. So, you know, I felt good. Like, you know, she sent me a message because, like, I'm helping Walgreens bring business. Well, Walgreens is not doing the greatest. I'm going to tell you guys this. Walgreens is not doing the greatest. They are shutting down a lot of their locations. But I was just, like, super happy that she found me. I don't know how she found me, but she found me on social media. Because when I was talking to the person last week, I never told anybody, like, what my channel name was. There are a lot of employees who have my business cards, so I don't know. But we are at the store today to get some great deals. The deals are, I hate this, but the deals are just not the greatest. Like, there's some weeks where we have, like, the best deals ever. And then there's deals that are like, eh. This is a week where there's some great deals, especially on, like, some personal care products. I have some digital coupons that I'm excited to work. We just got some new Ibotta rebates for CoverGirl, so I want to check those out. But otherwise, yeah, let's go inside and have some fun while we save some money at Walgreens. So here we have the 5-ounce Sweet Tart Rope Deals, the Twisted Rainbow Punch. They're on sale for 2 for $5. You're gonna end up paying $5 for 2 of them, but then you get 50 cents back with Ibotta with a limit of 5. And then you also can get 400 kicks with Shop Kicks with a limit of 3, which is actually $1.60. So these each come out to be just 50 cents each, which is an awesome deal. So here we have this CoverGirl True Blend. Now, some of my stuff at my store has it for $3.29, some are $6.79. I did scan the clean ones. These are not coming up as an Ibotta rebate. There's some lip stuff for $1.99, some other lip stuff, but lip is not included in this deal. But if you can find one that is your shade that is $3.29, these are actually buy one, get one 50% off. So together, you will pay $4.93 for 2 of them. Now, there might be an additional digital coupon for it. I'm not having anything pop up, but there is a $3 Ibotta rebate that is popping up for this. It was here, now it disappeared. But there is a $3 rebate for the face. So you would pay $4.93, but then you get $6 back with Ibotta. That's at $1.06 Moneymaker for some makeup, and it's a great deal. So make sure you check out, see what you can get for $3.29 at buy one, get one 50% off. So the Nivea Men's Body Wash is on sale this week for $6.99 at buy one, get one 50% off. Not the great deal, but if you guys need some, you're going to buy 2 of them. You will end up paying just $10.48 for 2 of them. But then you get a $5 cash rewards, making them just $5.48 or just $2.74. The last couple weeks we've been getting them even cheaper than that. So if you guys need some Nivea Men's Body Wash, or if you have, check to see if you still have that digital coupon, it's an even better deal. So here's our okay deal. We have the Axe Body Wash for $5.99. It is buy one, get one 50% off. We currently have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys could use. You end up getting them both for just $4.98 or $2.49 each, which is an okay deal. So here we have the Garnier Fructis and the Garnier Whole Blends. Now, if you're going to do this deal, you have to do both of these in a separate transaction to get the register reward. But these are both 2 for $8. We have a $3 off 2 digital coupon for the Garnier Whole Blends, and then we have a 3 off of 2 for the Garnier Fructis. So you're going to basically pay $5 for either the Garnier Fructis or the Garnier Whole Blends. You will pay $5, but then you will each receive a $3 register reward. Now, as far as I know, these do roll, so what you could do is do one transaction and then roll the register reward to the other one. But basically, you will get these for just $1 or $2 for 2 of them, which is a pretty decent deal for some shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so my store supposedly has all their tags up, but this one right here, it says it's $5.99, but it's showing up at it's $5 on sale. Now, they do have a deal right now where if you buy some of the items that are $5, you get a $3 register reward when you buy 2. So I'm gonna chance it and see what happens. But these are $5. We currently have a $2 off digital coupon for the 2.4 ounce, okay? So you're gonna do that. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over here to the Scope mouthwash, and these are $5, and there is a $1 off digital coupon for that. So together you will pay $7 for those 2 items, but you can submit your receipt for $5 back with this one for Ibotta, and then there is a $1 rebate for Ibotta, which is now not popping up, but I forgot to screenshot it. But there is a $1 rebate for Ibotta for the scope, so you'll get $1 back with that, making it, oh, and then you also will receive that $3 register reward, making this a $2 moneymaker. I'm gonna find out for this for you guys and I'll let you know, but it's a $2 moneymaker. And then I also have a bonus with, if I buy one more Crest product, I get a $2 bonus, so that's an even better deal, but we will see what happens. So here we have the Colgate toothpaste for just $4, and we currently have a $2 off digital coupon. And then we also have a $2 off digital coupon for either the $4 toothbrushes or the $4 mouthwash, which is just right here. So together you will pay just $4 after those two $2 off digital coupons, but then you will receive a $3 register reward, making them both just $1 or 50 cents each, which is an okay deal if you guys need some Colgate products. So make sure you guys check your clearance out at Walgreens for some of the school supplies. Some of these are actually marked down to like 70 cents for a 1.5 binder. They're not the greatest quality, but for 70 cents, that's a pretty great deal. They have some tags sitting here. I'm gonna see if any of these match up. These are Gibson, Wexford, yeah. So like right here, they have a desk organizer tag right here for $1. That's actually this thing. I actually have one of these, but for $1, that's 90% off. But definitely check it out if you guys need any of this stuff for when school supplies start going on sale. And there's some pens down here. Let's see what else we got. They have, a lot of it's empty, but you never know what you can find on clearance. If you need some small trash bags or medium trash bags, these are on sale this week actually for $1.99. Right here it shows $1.99. So if you guys need some bags, definitely a great deal. I always wait till they are buy one, get 2 free, but $1.99 is an okay deal. So here we have another gift card deal. You can buy 2 of the Fandango gift cards for just $25. Or you can buy 2 of the Panera ones for $15. So either you can pay $30 or you can pay $50. Yes, you can mix and match. But every 2 that you buy, you will receive a $10 Walgreens gift card, making it either a $40 value for just $30 or a $50 value or $60 value for just $50. So it just depends on what you want, but great deal. I'm really craving Panera right now, so I'm debating on doing this deal. Hello, 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 everybody. Yes, 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 I am at Walgreens, obviously, because I was just filming. So I was so excited to see 3 employees that know me, that are familiar with me, and I'm just like, oh my god, I felt so much more relaxed today. But yes, let me share with you guys everything that I got. Now, this deal did turn out in my favor, you guys. This deal did turn out in my favor. So I ended up getting the Crest toothpaste. This is on sale for $5, and I got the Scope mouthwash. You know what's funny? I've been using Act mouthwash for the last year, and I used this for the first time the other day, and like this was always like my go-to mouthwash, and now it's like got a totally different taste. It's crazy. But anyways, this is $5. You're gonna use a $2 off digital coupon $5, you're gonna use a $1 off digital coupon. Together, you will pay $7 for the 2 of these items, but you will submit your receipt for $5 back with Ibotta. Now, I thought I had a $2 bonus, but that apparently disappeared or I used it. But anyways, you're gonna get a $5 Ibotta rebate for this. So this is an easy freebie no matter what. Just giving you guys a heads up with this. And then you get a $1 rebate back with Ibotta for this. And it did print off, but you do get a $3 register reward, making both of these a $2 moneymaker. And this is travel size compliant is what it says. Travel friendly size. So yes, if you guys need some of these items, this is a $2 moneymaker, which is a great deal. Then you can use that towards, if you want, the Colgate items. So these are both $4. There's a $2 off digital and a $2 off digital. You're gonna pay $4 for the 2 of these. You will get a $3 register reward, making them $1 or 50 cents each. So right here, you can get both of these for free using that Scope mouthwash, okay? Then I ended up getting the Garnier Fructis and I got the Garnier Whole Blends. These were both 2 for $8. These are both in separate transactions, so I had to do separate transactions for this. But you're gonna use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon for this and a 3 off of 2 digital coupon for that. Each of these you will pay $5 for 2, but then you get that $3 register reward, making them both just $2 or $1 each, which is a pretty great deal. And then I also did this sweet tart deal. My son really likes these. So these were 2 for $5. Now I grabbed them and I'm so glad I scanned them because there's the 3.5 ounces, which are basically the same size. There's just a little bit difference. Somebody stocked them in the wrong spot, so I took all those out and I put them in the right spot. But these are the 5 ounces. These are the ones that count for the Ibotta rebate. So again, these are 2 for $5. You're gonna get a 50-cent Ibotta rebate and a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, and you get 400 points with a limit of 3 with Shopkicks, which is $1.60. So each of these come out to be 50 cents or $1 for both of these. Great deal if you guys need some sweet tart gummy ropes. And then I ended up getting the CoverGirl makeup. I ended up getting the True Blend. I'm actually probably gonna give this to the cashier because she's that color. She's like, ooh, I'm like, yeah, I might ask her if she wants these. But anyways, I got these. These were on clearance for $3.29 at buy one, get one 50% off, okay? You guys, and a $3 off digital coupon did come off. I was trying to find it in the app. I know I clipped it this morning or whatever. I was trying to find it, but a $3 off digital coupon did come off. And you guys can get $3 back, so I got $6 back with Ibotta. These come out to be a $4.06 moneymaker. $4.06 moneymaker, you guys, with that digital coupon. Otherwise, without the digital coupon, it is still a $1.06 moneymaker. So I got that. So yes. So that was everything I got. I didn't go like super crazy. There's just not a lot of great deals or anything that I truly, really need. But my total came out to be $27.93. I only got 27 cents of points. $12 back with register rewards. And then I got $13 back with Ibotta. And then I'll be getting $3.20 back with Shopkicks. So my grand total was a 54-cent moneymaker. You guys can get all that stuff for 54 cents. Everything that I got and everything that I have right here, you guys will get for the same exact price that I paid, which is a great deal. So I hope you guys have an awesome Sunday. It's supposed to be a decent Sunday today. It is supposed to be in the 70s, and that's what I like. The last couple of days, it's been like almost 100 degrees out, but 70, I will take it. So I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Subscribe to my channel if you guys love saving some money. I have a life update video that I'm going to be posting probably in the next month. We're just waiting to see what happens, but I will give you guys details on that. And there was something else I was going to explain to you guys about, but I can't remember. It's not that important, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.